The Solar Decathlon competition is an international intercollegiate competition where students design and build a house, and the goal is to show the public that energy efficient houses are possible and the different solutions.
Back in 2013 when we did Solar Decathlon then, I was a sophomore in school. So I was one of the youngest members on the team, and I learned a whole lot participating in that competition. So as soon as 2017 came around, no one was really talking about it, so I said, I don't know why we're not doing this again. So I pushed to do it again and formed a team, and that's how we got started.
So it's a 2-year process where they apply, they send in designs, and it gets narrowed down from over 200 schools down to 20 who get chosen to actually build their house.
Seeing the house through construction and things start to come together is one of the most exciting aspects of this project. We spent about 1.5 years designing and documenting the project and physically building it, and all the students that worked on that design get to work on the construction as well.
Within their state, they build the house at their college, and then we all transport it to where the competition is held. We'll have 10 days to assemble our houses, and then we'll compete for 2 weeks.
When we got here, we were actually crunched for time. We arrived 5 days late to the competition, so we built very, very quickly, and I think that's really impressive as well. In about 5 days, we built the house as you see it.
The students have worked incredibly hard in the heat, in the dust, in the cold, in the mud, in the rain, and in the snow to get this house completed. They worked 17-hour days once the house got here to get it ready.
The major effect that this project will have on me is just really the mental and physical strengthening that I've experienced. I've never went through anything this hard ever in my life, and I've seen some things, but definitely nothing like this, and I've never been pushed this hard.
A lot of the aha moments are around timing, and that's a real-world complication or real-world effect for all projects in manufacturing construction that we really don't get in school until we have to do it, and especially a project as complex as this.
This really makes myself as well as all of my teammates, really valuable assets to the market. Being able to go talk to employers in the future and discussing all the different problems that I've been able to solve one-on-one or with teammates, and being able to do interdisciplinary problem solving. I don't think many students get the opportunity to have that kind of experience.
The students actually get to utilize what they learn inside of the classroom. Out here, we have construction management students, we have architects and engineers. This is the first time most of these students have ever built anything or worked on a team together, so it's very exciting, especially for architects to be able to see what their designs turn into, or engineers to see these programs and these systems that they're testing and learning about in the classroom, to see it actually out in the real world and to see what they're capable of.
Well, I think we had a very clear concept. It's a very simple design that communicates effectively to the people walking through, and it's finally a very livable house. So, our 3 main points were simple, personal, and reliable, and I think we hit all of those really well. And the house just looks finished and something you can live in, and we did a good job at detailing it that way.
So taking first place in innovation at the U.S. Department of Energy Solar Decathlon 2017 competition means everything to us. 2 years of just grueling hard work from the design phase, the construction phase, and then having to go through so many different challenges to actually be able to make it here and put this home together. Getting our names called out during the first place award, it was everything to us. It makes everything that we went through worth it.
I just want to take the chance to say thank you to my entire team, my architecture team, my engineering team, everyone at the university, faculty, as well as outside partners for helping us get here. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you.